Okay, so now that you have your teams established and you have a list of them going on the side, eventually I'll have six of them for this class. How do you start this meeting? Well, what you want to do, the students can't start it. What you need to do is you need to go into your group one um, and you need to start the meeting yourself. So this is where the ellipses are done. There's no start meeting. You're going to go over here and you're going to click meet. You're going to click meet now. And I have now started a meeting. I'm in the meeting, right? And all the other students can see it, okay? Because it's 6:48 in the morning, I am not going to call any of my students, but I'm going to show you that you can. So let's say that Bella is not in the meeting and I want her to be. I'm going to click the ellipsis and I'm going to click ask to join. So if somehow she gets stuck in our big group meeting and can't transition over to the group, I can call her from here. And I can pop in and out of the meetings as easy as just hanging up on one and then going into another. Because no student joined, there's no video camera that's still going. What will happen is you'll start the meeting, right? So you'll go over here to my group one. I'll start the meeting. We'll hit meet now. They see me. Ultimately, we would have students populate in here and join currently in this meeting. Because that's not going to happen because I'm not calling them in, you're not going to see what I'm talking about. So if I wanted to join another group, um, yeah, I will start a general team meeting and hopefully you'll be able to see this. I can just go to Teams right now and I can do my general and I can meet now with my general. So this is just my whole class. So you can see here, up here, that I'm in the meeting for group one. I would be directing the whole class right in the screen that I'm in now. And if I wanted to join group one, I just hit the play button and resume it. And then I'm going to leave my big group and I'm now in group one. And here, if I want to go back to the general, I just put play. Now, the caveat with this, if you want all of them up at the same time, you can only have three channels going. I didn't have a problem when I did my six channels. I just had to end the meeting myself. Like, I didn't end the meeting. I hung up from the meeting, so I would have to ask to join again. But it's not a big deal. You just pop in and out. So I would do groups one through three, and then I'd hang up on them and I'd do groups four, five, and six. So that's how that worked. So I'm typing this up for you, but here's another like basics of what's going on in Teams. Thanks, guys.